Replacing the battery in your 2019-2024 Toyota RAV4 key fob is an easy DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, gather your tools: a CR2032 lithium coin battery, available for $1 to $5 online or at electronics stores, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on your key fob and gently pry it open using the tool. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up with the plus symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the fob by pressing buttons from 10 to 20 feet away. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly, as lithium batteries are recyclable. If your RAV4 key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity. Incorrect orientation is a common mistake. Also, be aware that high usage or cold climates can reduce battery life. Some users report faster battery drain due to proximity sensing or app integration features. If issues persist, you might need to reset or reprogram the fob at a Toyota dealer. Using name brand batteries like Panasonic and avoiding generic brands may extend battery life. Finally, for hybrid RAV4 models, disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery for 5 minutes can sometimes resolve key not recognized errors.